everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you all are having a great day so far. From the title you already know that today's video is all about unboxing Nykaah's hot pink sale bag. So Nykaa is very kind enough to send me over her hot pink sale bag, and it contains a bunch of items which I'm gonna unbox in front of you. So you already know that Nykaa is having her hot pink sale from the 16th of July till the 30th of July, where you can get access to some amazing offers and discounts on so many brands. And I have already done a makeup recommendations video. You can definitely have a look on that. I have shared some amazing products. I've shared my favorite drugstore as well as high-end products that you can try out on Nykaa. In today's video, I'm gonna only talk about all the products that Nykaa is kind enough to send me over. So I'm going to talk about these products. I'm going to share you the swatches, and you're going to definitely enjoy this video. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button, and do not forget to click on the notification bell next to the red subscribe button so that every time I put a new video, you're gonna get a notification. So without any more blabbering, let's get started. So guys, this is how the bag looks like. As you can see, it's a huge bag which has got this unicorn theme going on, and Nykaah's hot pink sale written on it. And this bag contains like around 10 products which I'm gonna talk about one by one, and most of them are really interesting and something which I haven't tried out before. So I'm really excited to try out these products. So the first product that I received in the bag is this one. This one is from Earth Rhythm. This is the Earth Rhythm Mochi Pudding Brightening Cleanser with matcha and glutathione. Comes in a packaging like this one. Mochi pudding cleansers are really popular in the market, and this is an affordable option from an Indian homegrown brand that you can check out. First of all, the packaging looks so cute, and I have already used it today, guys, because I was really curious to know about the texture and the formula. So this one is having like a very unique kind of like mochi pudding kind of texture, as you can see, and once it comes in contact with water, it lathers up really well, and it creates that creaminess which helps in cleansing your skin really well. Now it has got very fine granules which is not going to scratch you, but actually is going to exfoliate your skin, and it has also got that gel kind of cellulose particles which actually also kind of burst when you are applying this product on your skin. Now I have used it once. This cleanses my skin so well, and a little product goes a long way with it. It doesn't dry out my skin. My skin feels really bright and fresh, and this one is having a very refreshing matcha green tea fragrance, guys, which is going to linger for a while you are washing your face. So I have enjoyed it really well. I'm going to use it a lot more to see how this one works on my pigmentation, on my acne marks. So this is the first thing that I got in my hot pink sale bag. The second product that I've received in this bag is my holy grail, one of my absolute favorite drugstore serums. This one is from PLUM. This is the PLUM Rice Water and Niacinamide 10% serum, and this is the 30 ml variant that she has sent me over. So I have tried out a lot of niacinamide serums, guys, from drugstore, and I would say this is the best out there. You're gonna see results after 2 weeks of its usage. So it comes in a beautiful pump packaging, a very hydrating, moisturizing, kind of milky textured product, and since it has got 10% niacinamide, it's going to definitely work on the blemishes, and rice water in it actually adds a lot of brightness to the skin. So if you have acne scars, small little brown spots going on, tan going on, this is the product that you can use, and surely you're gonna see result, guys. One of the best products that PLUM has created. I absolutely love using this one, and I'm really happy that Nykaa sent me over this one more time, and I am having a backup now. The next one is something that is completely new to me, guys. I don't even have tried out any product from this particular brand called PhD Proven Honest Derma, which is this one, and she has sent me over her 2% alpha arbutin deep pigmentation serum with 2% Tyro Bright solution for hypopigmentation, acne marks, and age spots. Comes in a packaging like this one. Now this one is also having 30 ml product in it. So I am having a lot of like depigmentation, anti-pigmentation serums now in my stock. I'm gonna definitely use that up. This is how the bottle looks like. Now this is having 2% alpha arbutin in it, which is so perfect to target your dark spots pigmentation on your skin. I haven't used it before, guys, and it has got like a regular serum texture, guys, like a clear serum, but it's quite hydrating, I would say. So this is how it looks like, as you can see. So I'm gonna use it and we'll keep you guys posted. I am I'm really excited to try out this PhD one. This particular one also is having great discount on Nykaa. You can definitely have a look. So another product that I've received in this bag is also something that I have already tried out. I have already raved about it. This one is from Dot & Key. This is the Dot & Key Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Moisturizer, which is having Kakadu Plum and Blood Orange. It is suitable for all skin types and it's dermatologically tested. Now this one is the 60 ml variant that she has sent me over, guys. If you love vitamin C in your skincare, if you want a moisturizer which is going to provide you all the hydration at the same time goodness of vitamin C, this is a moisturizer for you guys. I absolutely love the gel texture of this one. I have already raved about it. So back in 2020 I had a really bad purging, and this is the moisturizer which I have religiously used, especially during the summer months. And since it was then a lockdown, I can't get access to a lot of brands from outside, so I had to like use the products which are available here. And this is like one of the best products that has worked so well in fading my spots. It has got a very nice, like a bouncy sort of gel texture, extremely hydrating on the skin, and it has got a very freshly squeezed orange fragrance, and it is going to moisturize your skin. At the same time, if you have any type of skin, you can use it because of its gel texture. This is not going to disappoint you guys once you start using it. Really happy that I'm having another backup now. The fifth skincare product that I've received in this bag is this one. This one is from the brand The Pink Foundry, and it is a dark spot and hyperpigmentation correcting power serum. So another depigmentation serum in the bag. So I'm really happy that this time I've received all the serums which targets like acne spots, hyperpigmentation, pigmentation blemishes on the skin, because that's what my main concern is. And I'm really happy that I have now backups of so many options that I'm going to try out and review for you. So this one is from the brand The Pink Foundry. I also haven't tried out anything from this particular brand, but I have heard really good things about her acne spot corrector, which is really viral. So it's from the brand The Pink Foundry, and this one is having some amazing ingredients like really good active, 8 actives, 3% tranexamic acid, 2% alpha arbutin, 3% niacinamide with vitamin C, and it's going to treat and brighten your skin, suitable for all skin types. And this is the 15 ml. So definitely it's having 3% tranexamic acid, which is such a great ingredient to treat your intense hyperpigmentation and dark spots. If you want to like make your skin even tone, to treat the spots, acne marks, small little brown spots you have on your skin, I think this is a product that you can try out. And this is having a very interesting like color, guys. I have already seen like it has got a very light brown kind of texture and a little on the milky side. I haven't used it yet. I'm going to use it and surely will keep you guys posted. The next product that I received in this bag is this one. I'm really excited to try out this body mist. This one is the Nykaa Wanderlast Sugar Plum Cherry Body and Hair Fine Fragrance Mist with the notes of smoked cherry and tonka. This is something, guys, that I have already sniffed it. I have already sprayed it on myself, like on my skin, on my clothes, on my hair, and I'm damn loving it, guys. If you love like smoked cherry fragrances, this one is for you. It's having an absolutely gorgeous cherry fragrance, cherry notes in it, but that's having that smoked feature, which is actually going to add that matureness to this particular fragrance. It's quite affordable if you want to get a really nice like smoky cherry fragrance, which is having mouth-watering plums in it. At the same time, in the base note, you're gonna definitely sniff tonka in it. So this is the one you can try out, guys. I applied it on my hair as well, and the product is also long wearing, guys. I haven't tried out Nykaa's body and hair mist yet. This is the first time that I'm trying out, and it's actually giving me Bath and Body Works body mist vibe, guys. So it's a really nice body and hair mist that she has sent me over. I'm loving this fragrance. So wow, during the winter months I'm going to use it the most. A beautiful fragrance from Nykaa. Surely check it. It's affordable, having good discounts on Nykaa. Just grab it, you'll be not at all disappointed. Now I've got a bunch of makeup, guys, which I'm really excited to talk about. Coming to the first one is from Swiss Beauty, and this is something that I absolutely love. I already have one more shade from this particular range, and you guys know I love it. This one is the Swiss Beauty Jelly Verse Glow Stick. As you can see, this is basically her jelly eyeshadow stick, and this one is in the shade 06 called Twilight Beam. This is how the packaging looks like. I have a similar kind of shade from Nykaa as well, but this one is more intense. And let me swatch this one for you. So it also comes with its own small little like cap. This is how the shade Twilight Dream looks like. As you can see a beautiful shade, guys. So I'm swatching it over here. So this is how the shade looks like. It's a beautiful, like a lilac toned pink, which has got lots of pink shimmer particles. So it has got that jelly kind of texture. It's packed with sparkles or glitters, so you can just swipe it on your eyes and it's going to add that scattered glittery effect on your eyes. This is a really beautiful shade, guys. Going to suit Indian skin tone so well, and when light hits on your eyes, it looks absolutely stunning, and once it sets, it's not going to move, guys. So it's also a must have from Swiss Beauty. The last three products that I've received are all lipsticks. The first one is something which is my absolute favorite range of lipsticks from Revlon. This is the Revlon COLORSTAY Suede Ink Lipstick, and I got the shade number 019 called In the Zone. I'm really happy that I got something which is not in my collection yet. So it's a completely new shade that I got, and this one is in the shade 019 In the Zone. Let me swatch this one for you. I'm swatching it over here. As you can see, this is how Revlon's In the Zone looks like. A beautiful deep maroon shade, guys. Maroon shade which has got like almost that wine undertone, like wine toned maroon. It's going to look gorgeous on everyone out there, guys. It is having a beautiful creamy texture. Give it 30 seconds. It's gonna settle to a transfer proof matte finish. It's not going to dry out my lips. I have tried out so many shades from this particular range, and it's a beautiful, nice, non-drying formula that you can try out from Revlon, and it's really long wearing. So this is In the Zone. The second lip product that I got is something that I also love. This one is from PRAUSH Beauty. This is the PRAUSH Beauty Plush Matte Lipstick in the shade Caramel Brunch number 112. And let me swatch this one, guys. PRAUSH lipsticks are also very good quality, clean matte lipsticks which doesn't dry out my lips, at the same time having a long lasting formula. And you can see the rose gold packaging. This is how the shade Caramel Brunch looks like. A beautiful nude shade, guys. Let me swatch this one. So I'm swatching Caramel Brunch over here. As you can see, a beautiful nude color, guys. This is definitely going to be working really well on fair to medium to British skin tones. And I know the formula. I have tried out a lot of shades from this particular range. High tea is my favorite shade. If you're into peachy browns, I think Caramel Brunch is a shade for you. As you can see, a beautiful color. It is having a creamy texture. It's pigmented, and it's going to settle to a very nice clean matte finish, not completely transfer proof. It has got very less transfer, but it's not going to dry out your lips. If you are searching for good quality bullet lipstick, I think in an affordable range, these are the ones you can try out. And PRAUSH Beauty also is having such great discounts on Nykaa, guys. Have a look. I've already checked it. This is the lip color that you're going to truly love. The last lipstick that I received from Nykaa is also another nude lipstick, and Nykaa knows that I truly love nude lip colors, and this one is from Faces Canada, another affordable range of lip product from Faces Canada, which is called Comfy Matte Wow Lipstick. This is how it looks like. I think I have already reviewed this range on my channel. Faces actually makes really good quality affordable liquid lipsticks, and this is also a great range that you can check out. This particular one is in number 01 called Coco Couture. So let me swatch this one. So I'm swatching it over here. As you can see, this is how 01 Coco Couture looks like. Another beautiful brown nude color, guys. This is a gorgeous nude. As you can see how beautiful this shade is. It's a beautiful nude shade, guys. Definitely a brown skin friendly one. It's having a beautiful creamy texture. It's going to settle to a transfer proof matte finish, but it's very comfortable. That's why the name is Comfy Matte. It's very comfortable, it's lightweight, and it doesn't dry out my lips as far as I remember. So this is also a great affordable option you can check out, and provides really good discounts during Nykaa sale, guys. So this is the lip color that I got. So as you can see, my hot pink sale bag is empty. These are the products that Nykaa has sent me over in celebration of Nykaa's hot pink sale, and I'm really thankful to Nykaa for sending this across. If you want a dedicated review on any specific product, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to do that for you. So I hope you have definitely enjoyed this video, but do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for getting more of these videos. We'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Until then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye, guys.